Hello everyone, my name is Ralph Slaney and welcome back to the Open University YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to build and be a part of that massive online community that the OU offers. We all know that the OU is amazing for flexibility, but how do we make sure that we still feel connected? Well, it's easy, and the OU provides all of the tools you need to be a part of that community. There's over 200,000 of us here at the Open University. That's more people than any university I've ever heard of. And today I'm showing you how to find that and be a part of the awesome OU community. First up, the module forums. These bad boys are your bread and butter. Don't just read, but post. I just posted, hey, my name is Ralph Slaney. I'm a little bit nervous about starting. Anyone else feel like that? And that's a great icebreaker. You'll be surprised how many people actually reply and feel the exact same way as you do. And don't sleep on Student Hub Live. These are live broadcasts where you can chat to other OU students in real time. These are the OU's version of an in-person lecture, apart from you can do it from wherever you are. Sometimes official channels can feel a little bit scary. Hey, me too. That's where socials are amazing, and the OU is active on loads of them. For example, search Facebook for your module code, and you'll almost always find a group. And if Facebook isn't your thing, don't worry. Most of these have links to Discord channels or WhatsApp groups. These places is where the magic happens. 3 AM moral support, memes about word counts, or even just a general chat. And if you're looking for something beyond your module, check out the OU Students Association. They have societies for loads of things like law, psychology, Harry Potter, LGBTQ+. Oh, and also, you can use the hashtag OU Students on Instagram or TikTok. There's a massive Studygram of students on there. People who love to post their experiences or the fact that they've got a million different highlighter colours. This is a great way to find a casual study buddy, and it's great for that community we're trying to build. As you can see, the OU is not just a website. It's a global network of people changing their lives, just like you. And you don't have to do it alone. So pick one of these things. A forum, a group, social media post, whatever suits you. There's always going to be someone waiting for you. And I promise you, a degree feels 10 times easier when you have a squad behind you. You know what? We're going to start that community right now on YouTube. Drop your module code in the comments below and let's see if we can find some study buddies right here. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification bell to see more videos from us. Happy studying, and I'll see you on the next one.